Welcome to Dubai Safari Park. Here you will find majestic animals from all over the world.
You will find gorillas, lions, snakes, tigers, and many more.
How to get there?
It takes around 20 minutes by car from downtown.
And to get there, you must go by car.
Because unfortunately for now there's no bus or metro next to the park.
But no worries, there's free parking.
When you enter to the park, immediately you can see the greenery and the views. It's amazing and beautiful.
Let's talk about tickets.
You have 3 different types. The basic one, which includes the entrance to the park, and here you can see the prices. Then you have Day Pass Plus and the Safari Journey, which is the most complete one. We took the Safari Journey. I personally recommend you this option because the train is very comfortable for getting around the park. And it also includes a Safari Journey, which I will show you. How amazing it was! This is the entrance of the park. Today you will join me to visit a lot of animals. I was very excited for this day. Map. Here you can see the areas of park. You have the African Village, Arabian Desert Safari, Asian Village, and Explorer Village. It took around 4 to 5 hours to explore the whole park. We took the train to the Safari Journey first. We went on a Saturday, so the park was a little bit crowded. And after waiting around 1 hour to get to the Safari Journey, we finally did it. And it's definitely worth the wait. You are taken in a van that travels through different animal areas.
What do you think? Zebras are black with the white stripes or white with the black stripes?
The lion was my favorite part.
Southern white rhinos.
And I love that the animals are very well cared.
In front of it, the greyish animal is known as blue bull. The black-tailed animal is known as sable antelope, the national animal of Zimbabwe. Adex. The small black animal with a broken horn is known as flatbuck, fastest running antelope in Asia. What do you call them?
Perro salvaje.
Perro salva?
Perro salvaje.
Oh, perro salvaje.
Wild dogs.
Perros salvajes.
And if you want, you can do giraffe feeding, but you need to pay extra. You can also explore the park on foot. and the tours are beautiful. In the African village, you will find a reptile tour. But to be honest, I'm very scared of snakes. I was very happy that I captured this moment. Lions can be very jealous and protective. Okay, Explorer, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoy it and that you can visit this amazing place. Join me in the next adventure in Dubai for more. Bye!